This piece is called If We Can Dance. A big part of this piece is inspired by the LGBTQIA plus dance protests. Dancing allows you to use pleasure and joy to kind of resist the ideas that you have to be a certain way to be able to survive or thrive. Kind of like exploring that wildness of letting yourself just be. I decided to put it in this like greenhouse structure because it creates a space that feels kind of like safe and enclosed. The poem kind of leads around the room. Our bodies are senses, detecting the darkness around us, informing the thoughts that become us. There's a light sensor in the plant, and the light sensor determines this word here. There's a UV sensor, a soil moisture sensor, and a temperature sensor. So kind of the idea is to have like these plants that talk to you. They have a lovely strong fragrance. When you touch them, they leave scent on your fingers. So once you finish with the piece, you're left with a reminder of it, which kind of brings in like those ideas of where does your body start and end.